We are assembling the cow and pig bags. So since I have all of the farm files, I thought I should make some gift bags to go with the set. So I decided on the pig and the cow. They're my personal favorites. These bags are very quick and simple. I like to lay my eyes out first so I can decide where they should go. So when you glue your cow to the front, you may even want to fold these back. You want to make sure not to put glue, just don't put glue on the ears at all, so that because you don't want to glue those to the side of your bag. Okay. Probably should have folded the score lines first. That made this easier. So I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. Okay, and then I have a pipe cleaner that I'm going to use for my handle. You can use wire, cut a strap if you want. So there's my little cow bag. And then pig is going to go together the same way. This time I'm going to fold it on the score lines first. Let me see if anything's hanging over. Oh, I just made a mess. Okay. You might want to ink that nose so that it'll stand out a little bit. Normally I would do that. I don't know why I didn't do it this time. Okay, and then you would glue this together the same way we did the other one. And there's your little pig bag. So we have our pig and our cow. Thank you for joining me.